Plant FAQs. Colocasia morning dew. Colocasia morning dew. Unveiling the beauty and care of this dazzling foliage plant. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a plant enthusiast, I'm often drawn to unique and eye-catching varieties. The Colocasia morning dew certainly fits the bill. Today, I'm dedicating this piece to exploring everything you need to know about this stunning plant, from its characteristics to its care requirements. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is Colocasia morning dew? The Colocasia morning dew is a captivating hybrid belonging to the Araceae family, known for its ornamental foliage. This tropical beauty boasts large, glossy green leaves generously speckled with light green and gold flecks, mimicking the glistening effect of morning dew, hence its name. The sturdy green petioles, leaf stalks, are also adorned with these golden speckles, adding another layer of visual interest. Bred by Dr. John Cho of Hawaii, the Colocasia morning dew is a relatively new cultivar, gaining popularity for its stunning looks and manageable size. How does Colocasia morning dew differ from other elephant ear varieties? Elephant ears, a common nickname for Colocasia varieties, come in a vast array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Here's how the morning dew stands out. Size. Compared to some giant elephant ears that can reach up to 10 feet, the morning dew is a more compact grower, typically maturing at around 4 feet tall. This makes it ideal for container gardening or smaller spaces. Foliage. The defining characteristic of the morning dew is its mesmerizing speckled pattern. While other elephant ears boast vibrant green or even burgundy hues, the golden speckles add a touch of luminosity and uniqueness. Light requirements. Unlike some elephant ears that thrive in full sun, the morning dew prefers dappled sunlight or partial shade. This makes it perfect for indoor spaces with bright, indirect light. How to care for Colocasia morning dew. Bringing the Colocasia morning dew into your life is easy. Here's how to ensure it thrives. Light. As mentioned earlier, provide your morning dew with bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Maintain consistently moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, fertile potting mix. You can create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or coco coir for optimal drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced liquid fertilizer once a month can be beneficial. Temperature and humidity. The morning dew enjoys warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. It also appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping your plant with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help maintain moisture around the leaves. Winter care. In colder climates, the morning dew goes dormant during winter. Reduce watering frequency and protect the plant from frost. You can either bring it indoors or mulch it heavily outdoors in frost-free zones. USDA zones 7B to 10B. Common questions about Colocasia morning dew. Here, I'll address some frequently asked questions about this captivating plant. Is Colocasia morning dew toxic? Yes, like many Araceae plants. The Colocasia morning dew contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Can I propagate Colocasia morning dew? Absolutely. Propagation can be done by division of the rhizomes, underground stems, in spring. Why are the leaves of my Colocasia morning dew turning yellow? Overwatering is a common culprit. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Does Colocasia morning dew produce flowers? While uncommon indoors, mature plants may occasionally produce small, hooded flowers similar to those of calla lilies. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Colocasia morning dew flourishes and brings a touch of tropical elegance to your space. If you have any further questions about the Colocasia morning dew or other houseplants, feel free to reach out. Happy planting!